when I was picking up a couple of copies of Leisure Suit Larry, the guy who I was picking up from asked me if I wanted a couple of books, and this is what he gave me. At least this is one, and here's the second one. So I'll zoom out in a minute so that you can actually see what these are. But essentially, what I want to show you is the fact that this is a walkthrough. Looks like written by Origin. Look at this guy. In 1989, this book was first published, and what it is, you can see here, it says that it's solutions for over 40 best-selling games, or 40 more because it's the second booklet. Look at this dude in his nice green shirt and his mustache and his radical. He's got some really cool trainers there actually. What are those? Those Reeboks? I don't know. But anyway, this is what you'd have to get if you were stuck on one of your games and if none of your mates had figured out the adventure game puzzle. This is literally a book that walks you through, gives you a little bit of a, for example, I've just literally gone to a random page. Let me pick up the camera here. Just gone to a random page here, and this is Leisure Suit Larry, the first one, and it gives you pretty much the walkthrough of how to complete the game. Funnily enough, they actually encode the actual tips, so you have to go to the front. I guess it's just so you just don't read it and just pick it up straight away. They want you to work for it, so you really have to understand what you're doing before you you cheat, I guess. So here's the actual code where they've just done swaps of the letters, so you have to go through and swap it. But yeah, this was quite a cool book that I got given. So from 1989, you can see which text and graphic adventures. Also did role-playing games as well, actually. I don't think I've got any of those games, but you can see you got Ultima 5 and Wasteland. But over here, Maniac Mansion, Leisure Suit Larry, King Quest, a few of these other games I've never heard of. Beyond Zork I know of, Space Quest, Zack McCracken. So, and there's a few adverts in the back as well. But yeah, what an interesting, so even for these RPGs, look, it's got some of the, looks like the maps there. But I thought this was really cool because yeah, it's from 1989. This is the way that if you got stuck on your games and none of your friends knew what to do, then you'd have to go and buy one of these big books. Let's have a look. Doesn't say how much it was though. It looks like there was some kind of magazine subscription where you would get a, when is this? It doesn't say if it's monthly or not, but then you get all the answers. Let's have a look at the other one. So the other one here, Quest for Clues number 4. So it's another 40 games, again by Origin. Look there, there's a very cool front cover. It's cooler than the other one. Let's see which games are in here. So more adventure games and more role-playing games. So do I have any of these games? King's Quest 5 I've got, I think. Secret of Monkey Island, look, is in here. Space Quest 4. Don't really know any of the other ones there. Role-playing games. Don't think I've got any of those ones. So he's got the Ultima games there. Ultima: The Savage Empire. It's got one of the coolest front covers, that box. Yeah, so I just thought I'd show you this. Like, I haven't actually used them, but they're in pretty good condition, and considering the guy gave them to me for free with the Leisure Suit Larry game boxes, was pretty cool. Even gives you here some of the systems that it's on. Yeah, can you imagine the wonders of having the internet and being able to cheat really easily instead of having to go out, find a book in the bookshop and buy it? Yeah, times have changed. Anyway, I don't have all of these. I've only got these two because the guy gave them to me as freebies. I don't think I'll be searching for more of these. If I come across them, I'll pick them up. just more for interest. Yeah, this dude's the coolest though. Alright, anyway, that was a very quick video. If you've ever used one of these hint books like this, especially from this era, from the 89 to early 90s, why not tell me in the comments? Yeah, so funny, so cool. I don't even know what he's looking through there. Is that a telescope? Don't know. Why is he looking at a telescope into a compass? I don't know. Anyway, catch you later.